Hi, it's Jim from Discovery Toys. We're here in the countdown to the cutoffs for the holidays. And I want to show you tonight a couple of products from our Explore It Outdoor Science and Discovery line. This is our Explore It handheld microscope. It can actually use this indoors or outdoors, but it's a 40 times magnification in this little guy here. It's pretty powerful. And it really creates that aha effect when a child, or really anybody, even an adult, looks through this for the first time. And there is a, right here, there's a little switch for you to toggle back and forth to help you focus on your magnification. And it's great for looking at skin. You can actually see the detail. Whoa! I can see the detail on my skin. Whoa, it looks pretty cool. It's great for looking at like dollar bills. Kids love looking at dollar bills and seeing the really fine print and some of the secret stuff that's really printed on those bills. Great for looking at plants, flowers close up. It also has a light here. There is a light that you can turn on to help you when you need a little bit of light if you're looking at a dark object. It also has a lanyard so you can take it with you. Explore It handheld microscope. This is Explore It night vision light. The night vision light is unique because it uses a red light, right? So the red light, it allows you to see in the dark. If you're in a dark situation with no lights around, it allows you to see without, number one, disturbing any animals or creatures or other people that might be around. So actually you can walk into a room with someone sleeping, turn on this red light, and it won't bother them at all. It won't wake that person up, and you can find your objects you're looking for. It's also great because it doesn't disturb your night vision. So when you use red light, and it's used by sailors a lot, and it's used by people in the military, and it helps you to see without, again, disturbing your night vision, right? Because if you use white light, then it kind of disturbs your eyes, and the way that your eyes work, then they have trouble focusing, but not so with the red light. Let's see if we can go outside here, out front, and use our little red light. Turn off our porch light. Go right outside here. As I mentioned, you can see here, I can look at the plants and all with the red light. And again, it doesn't disturb any of the creatures that might be out here. And it doesn't disturb my night vision. So it allows me to still see with my night vision more accurately. So that's the Explore It night vision light. That's it. Both products available from Discovery Toys. And I will see you soon.